closures on Highway 50 throughout the day. At one point, traffic was held at Twin Bridges. This camera shows CHP and Caltrans checking for chains earlier. We saw one car got turned around as others were allowed to pass. Highway 50 is open now, but chains are required. So as we look at all that snow that's falling in the Sierra right now, let's bring in Zoe Mintz. And Zoe, you said something earlier that kind of shocked me. We're going to have some snow here in the Bay Area?
On the highest elevations of the Santa Clara Hills, above 3,000 feet. There's going to be 4 to 8 inches of snow.
Love that.
Not just a little bit, but yeah, a good amount. That's going to be fantastic. The Sierra seeing 6 to 8 feet of snow. Again, amazing news. That'll definitely help with the snow drought that they have been in. I want to take us over to the Waldo and show you time lapse from early this morning, showing you, yes, it's been cloudy. It's been dreary out there. There's been multiple waves of rain moving overhead, but it has definitely not been a rain all day scenario by any means. The rain that we did see was a healthy amount of rain, and there's now beginning to be a drier pocket of air working its way in from north to south across the Bay Area. So those of us who are still dealing with heavier rain, it's farther south. It's over the Santa Cruz Mountains, over Santa Cruz itself towards Watsonville, and this is going to be the last heavy pocket of downpours before drier air officially makes its way all across the Bay Area. But we're not done with the rain or the winds quite yet. Another storm system will arrive overnight tonight, and by early tomorrow morning, not just widespread rain, but 30 to 40 mile an hour wind gusts likely, especially for places like Redwood City, Oakland, San Francisco. Again, that's waking up early tomorrow morning, staying pretty breezy throughout the afternoon before quieting down by late tomorrow evening. The reason that there is still a weather alert day tomorrow, because it's not just going to be rainy, it's also going to be windy out there. So yes, this storm system that we've been seeing for at least the past 24 hours is already beginning to subside. Again, it's already beginning to dry out from north to south, but that secondary storm system is already on the way. So there is going to be a brief break in the activity, but it's not going to last for much longer than this evening. So let's take a look at that, show you exactly what we can expect over the next several hours, pulling up some cities just to give you kind of a perspective. And let's replay that so you can follow along. Timestamp, bottom right corner of the screen. By about 7, 8 o'clock, most of us will already be beginning to see much drier conditions. There might still be a pocket of heavier rain moving its way further south over the Santa Cruz Mountains this evening, but again, it is going to be a lot drier tonight compared to what we've been dealing with today. So tonight is the last chance to maybe enjoy any pockets of dry air before that next wave of rain arrives, waking up early tomorrow morning. Early Tuesday morning commuting, it's going to be another wet one. You're going to want to give yourself extra time. Hydroplaning is going to be a big issue. It's going to be a 2 hands on the wheel kind of morning because, again, it's going to be a whipping rain. And then look at that. On the highest elevations, like I said, snow falling above 3,000 feet over the Santa Clara Hills near Mount Diablo. It's going to be very cold. Below 32 degrees, in fact. That's the reason that we're seeing that snow. That snow is going to continue on the higher elevations throughout the day. On Tuesday, low elevation, chilly rain. Again, not a rain all day scenario, but on again, off again, pockets of heavier downpours are likely throughout a majority of the day Tuesday. Tuesday evening, another round of some heavier rain arriving before quieting down into early Wednesday. But look at over the Santa Cruz Mountains. You could also potentially be seeing some snow above 3,000 feet. So keep that in mind. Highest elevations all across the Bay Area going to be seeing that widespread activity in snowfall. That is fantastic. Again, it's been about 3 years since we have seen a cold enough storm system combining with enough moisture to actually bring measurable rainfall. Waking up early Wednesday morning, though, because of how chilly it's going to be a very cold start to the day, and you're going to want to bundle up. Again, Wednesday morning, those temperatures near freezing across our inland areas, and the snow on the highest elevations, 4 to 8 inches above 3,000 feet. That's over the Santa Cruz Mountains, the Santa Clara Hills, North Bay communities, though. That snow level is even lower, down to 2,500 feet, 4 to 8 inches. Above 33,000 feet, you could potentially be seeing 12 to 15 inches. So a lot of snow and a lot of rain is on the way over the next several days, which is, again, fantastic news. We need the snow, we need the rain, and it's coming in full force. Again, through the mid to later parts of the week, an additional inch and a half of rain is likely through early Wednesday morning, an additional feet upon feet each and every day of this upcoming week. Through tomorrow, an additional 1 to 2 feet of snow is likely. Through Wednesday, an additional 2 to 3 feet of snow on top of that. By the end of the week, we could be seeing 60 to 70 inches of snow on the highest elevations. That is amazing news. The Sierra has been in snow drought basically all season long. This should really help with that. Also great news for skiing and snowboarding into this weekend, but traveling into the Sierra, it's going to be treacherous, and even traveling in the Bay Area, give yourself extra time on the roadways.